I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
She said the 9 to 5 now work, so she need one camera. And me little switch blade now, but it's so she need one. I promise myself, say nobody can beat me now, but and even though she love your charge, the money still not a matter. She been a bully down like a jailer. She compensates for my failure. Wish me coulda give her the world, but I don't mind it. Me have to dance for me Lord and Savior. One man. I just take to make clothes like they like. Sorry me couldn't hear no more. Cause I know that this is the planet. 9 to 5 now work, so she need one camera. I mean a good switch blade now, cut it so she need one pepper. Me did promise myself and nobody. And that's how she love me. No matter how she love your charge, the money still like a matter. She been a bully down like a jailer. She compensates for me failure. Wish me coulda give her the world, but I know my me have to dance to me Lord and Savior.
Yes, sir. What you done did since the last time I seen you, man?
Threw that software on there. I upgraded from the XV2 to the ZV5.
Are you all the way up here?
Yeah.
All the way up.
We tried to get with the Jazz aux, but we ran into a little technical because we kept having a hot wire somewhere. We didn't want to take that off and short nothing out. So
You still got factory alternator?
Yeah.
And it's holding up this good?
Yeah. It's got a big 3 on and everything, but it's holding up pretty good.
It is. I was thinking you done did some fancy stuff under there.
No, not yet, not yet.
But that's outperforming a good, you know.
Yeah.
That do it.
It's holding up.
Can I see the sun back there?
Yeah.
What's up? And you managed to keep this thing clean too.
I tried.
It's hard to keep a clean base
Oh my
here.
God.
Oh yeah.
Different box too.
Yes, sir. I thought you had two in the whole time.
Huh?
I thought you had two.
One.
Everybody,
This is on the door. Right software's on the side.
that's why I was just gonna ask, just run them doors.
Yeah.
That sounds good, man. Where can they find you at on social media in case they don't know?
They can find me on TikTok, Get Us Back in Time 78. Same thing on Facebook and Instagram.
Y'all know I'm gonna tag them down below. I sure appreciate seeing you
All right,
again, brother.
yeah.
What's the next show you going to?
Huh?
What's the next show you going to?
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.